Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the very fast charging Hyper 140 watt USB-C charger. This is from HyperJuice and you have 3 ports right here. You also have a flip out North America prong set right here. And then it also comes with these 3 adapters, which are for the EU, UK, and Australia. So it works with 4 different areas, and these just slip right on over that. So you close that and you put it on like this and it just slips right on. Super easy, and it comes with 3 different ones for whatever you need. And it comes with this 140 watt to 240 watt capable USB-C cable. So that's a lot of power going through one cable. It's nice that they included this because you really don't know for sure what a cable can handle when you get a USB-C, especially from online sales. Unless it says specifically that it can handle 100 or 240 watts, I would avoid it for sure. So this port up here offers 140 watts. Then you have 100 watts out of this USB-C port and an incredible 30 watts with quick charge 3.0 technology. These two offer power delivery technology. I've only ever seen 22.5 watts out of a USB-A port before, and this one has 30. Incredible. So you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Of course, you'll only need to plug into one device to get 140 or one at 100 watts, but it will switch in between, and it will also change the wattage depending on how many devices you have plugged in. We'll get you some quick details here on the back. You can pause this anytime to take a look, but the information will be below in the description as well. So that cable that you saw earlier is 2 meters in length, and like I said, it offers between 140 and 240 watts. So this is definitely suitable for the Macbook Pro 16-inch from 2021, and like it says there on the box, all USB-C devices. So cool. Fits in the palm of my hand. 3 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. This is from Hyper, and it's the HyperJuice 140 watt USB-C charger with power delivery and quick charge 3.0 technology. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.